Lord Vishnu, also known as Narayana, is a central deity in Hindu mythology and one of the three principal gods in the Hindu trinity, Trimurti, alongside Brahma and Shiva. He is considered the preserver and protector of the universe, responsible for maintaining cosmic harmony and upholding the order of things. Vishnu is often depicted as having blue skin and is associated with the color dark blue, which symbolizes the sky. His most popular epithets include Hari, meaning carrying, away, and Narayana, which means he whose abode is water. Join us as we delve into the timeless stories that transcend generations and unveil the divine essence of Vishnu's incarnations. Why does Lord Vishnu create these avatars? Vishnu is known for his frequent use of avatars, which are divine incarnations that appear in various forms to restore cosmic order and fight against evil forces. Each avatar embodies a unique aspect of Vishnu's divine nature and serves a specific purpose in preserving the universe. These avatars began during the Satya Yuga, also known as the Golden Era, when gods ruled over humanity. Vishnu's role as the guardian leads him to take on different avatars at various points in the world's existence to battle evil, with his 10th avatar, Kalki, being the final one prophesied to appear at the end of the Kali Yuga. The 10 avatars of Vishnu are significant representations of different aspects of divinity and serve specific purposes in maintaining cosmic balance. These avatars include Matsya, fish, Kurma, tortoise, Varaha, boar, Narasimha, lion man, Vamana, dwarf, Parshurama, angry sage with an axe, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Buddha, and Kalki. Each avatar has a specific role, such as restoring order to the world, defeating evil, or teaching important lessons to humanity. The stories associated with these avatars symbolize the evolution of life on Earth and have been integral parts of Hindu mythology and culture. Matsya Avatar. Direct and indirect references to the incarnation of fish are found in the Rigveda, several Puranas, and both epics. According to the legends, a small fish appeared to Manu, the progenitor of the human race, in his hands when he was about to offer oblations. The fish requested him to rear him until he grew large enough to be left in the sea. He also forewarned him of an impending deluge and advised him to build a large boat and be prepared. When the deluge came, Manu, the 7 Vedic rishis, and the Vedas set sail in the boat. The fish, which, by then, had grown a gigantic size, emerged out of the sea and pulled the boat by a rope to the peak of a tall mountain, where it left them and disappeared. The same story is found in a few Hindu texts with minor variations. The Bhagavata Purana state that Manu also carried several plants, seeds, and animal species apart from the seers and the Vedas and saved them from destruction. Matsya Avatar teaches the importance of preserving knowledge and protecting life during times of crisis. It symbolizes the need to safeguard wisdom and ensure the survival of righteousness in the face of calamity. Kurma Avatar. Chronologically, the incarnation of Vishnu as a giant tortoise is considered the second. References to it are found in the Samhitas, the Upanishads, Aranyaka, and several Puranas. The incarnation was initially associated with sage Kashyapa and in some with Prajapati. Some passages also allude to its connection with wind. The word Kurma is symbolically used in the Vedic texts to denote the withdrawal of the senses and the ignition of sacrificial fire by the churning of the fire sticks. The incarnation is primarily associated with the churning of the oceans by gods and demons. According to the legends, upon being cursed by a sage, Indra, the lord of the heavens, lost his glory and sought the help of Vishnu, who advised him to churn the ocean of milk by summoning the Devas and Asuras to extract the elixir of life. Accordingly, they churned the ocean, using the serpent Vasaki as the rope and the mountain Meru or Mandhara as the rod, while Vishnu in the form of a giant tortoise provided the support for the churning rod from below. Kurma Avatar signifies the significance of supporting and maintaining the foundation of the universe. It represents the idea of providing stability and balance in times of upheaval. Varaha Avatar. The incarnation of Varaha comes third in succession. Second, according to Garuda Purana, in which Mahavishnu lifted the submerged earth from the bottom of the cosmic ocean with his tusks in the body of a wild boar. Varaha means not only a boar, but also a rain cloud, a Brahmana priest, and the bringer of auspicious tidings. Symbolically, he represents the Vedic sacrifice, which supports and uplifts the world and the beast. References to Varaha are found in the Vedas, the epics, and several Puranas. According to the Mahabharata, the earth sank into the cosmic ocean due to the weight of excessive population. The goddess of the earth sought Vishnu's help, who then manifested as a boar and uplifted it. The most common version of the story is found in the Puranas, according to which a demon named Hiranyaksha, son of Dithi, carried the earth to the bottom of the cosmic ocean and challenged Vishnu to fight him. They fought for 1,000 years, at the end of which Varaha killed him and rescued the earth from the ocean by lifting it with his tusks. Varaha Avatar showcases the power of rescuing and restoring order in the face of chaos. It emphasizes the importance of combating evil forces and bringing about harmony in the universe. Narasimha Avatar. The fourth incarnation of Vishnu is Narasimha, in which he appeared as half man and half lion. This is probably the fiercest and one of the most well-known incarnations of him both in Vaishnavism and popular Hinduism. It must have appeared around the same time as the previous one, since in this incarnation, Vishnu killed Hiranyakasipu, the brother of Hiranyaksha. Narasimha means man-lion with an upper lion body and a lower human body. According to the popular version, after the death of Hiranyaksha, his brother Hiranyakasipu did a long penance and obtained a boon from Brahma that he should be immune to death from a man or animal, inside or outside any residence, during the day or night, upon the earth or in the air, and so on. Having secured near invincibility and immortality, he became extremely arrogant and cruel and began tormenting people with his despotic rule, apart from disrespecting God. He also tortured his son, Prahlad, as he was showing unflinching devotion and loyalty to Vishnu rather than to him. Enraged by his deeds, Vishnu one day sprang from a pillar in his palace as a man-lion and killed him with his bare hands, thereby ending his tyranny. Narasimha Avatar highlights the necessity of standing up against evil and protecting the innocent. It symbolizes courage, righteousness, and the triumph of justice over tyranny.